It's just Vine. Y'all already know what it is. And today, man, I ain't even got no reaction videos I've done today. It's the day off, man. I just figured I'd do a little bit of crafting. Went out, did a little shopping. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the arts and crafts store. It was crazy. If y'all was here like for my earlier day one subscribers, I started off my channel with doing crafts and stuff like that. And I took off, started going to school and shit. God damn, y'all heard this music below me. But yeah, I went into this little arts and crafts store yesterday because I still be doing my little crafting thing. And they had exactly what I needed, y'all. It's called American HTV and Crafts. I did not know that, man. My neighbors they get fucking annoying, bro. Playing goddamn music loud as hell. But look, let me show y'all what I got. I'm gonna make some shirts. The first one I got, gotta keep it a little hood baby action. Give me a Kodak Black direct film transfer. I'm gonna put this on the shirt. Then I got this Friends one for Halloween. That's hard. And the lady said all of it, you don't need no parchment paper or nothing. You just put them on your heat press for about, I don't know, I got it on the thing. I got the Mary J, the old school Mary J. I'm finna slap this on a crew neck. I might put a video of me doing this. But yeah, I mess with these, man. I said I'm finna get back to it, bro. They should let me walk in this store. I didn't even know. It's like recently new. Come on now, dog. Got the lid joint. Throw that on the crew neck for the winter. Yeah, so I'm finna just be doing my own designs and taking them there. I got some vinyl because I wanted to make another sweatshirt. For the season, man, it's time to get back into the craft mode, man. It's fall season coming. If y'all want to see some little crafting and more, some little cricket videos, let me know, man. I was just letting y'all know what I had caught, man. So don't be, hey, when y'all see the drizzle and don't know where I got it from. Yeah.
Shorty bad, she gon' need a spanking. I might pull up on you, dick you down with no hesitation. I might count the drop first day that a nigga make it. Cause baby, you the one, don't switch up on